Fuck, Commander Taxman.
Ito yung shortcut papunta sa ano eh. Different direction.
Leave no one else alive.
Di mo ako mahal. Uy! Uy! Uy!
Itaas mo ang iyong kamay.
Mata Apocalypse yo!
Joke lang.
Hindi ka kasi nag-smash yan like, yo! Uy! Ano hindi mahal? Ano pinagsasabi mo? That's not what I meant.
Man. Hello, tangina. Taas mo ulit kilikili mo, sir. Kilikili niya. Diyos mo.
Ay! Yan. Okay, save ko to dito. Leon B. Oh! There it is! Of course, inumpisahan ko yung game and tumigil ako sa may storage room ba yan? Oh, bilis. Then, dalawang beses ko
For Cosmodon!
At start.
Ayun, no?
Napansin mo sa zombie na yan.
si Karakay nanonood sa Facebook. Nice. Oh. Kung nanonood ka, Karakay.
The exact date nung ni-live ko yan. I think it was around September of 2020. Mga September 12, 15 yata yan. In between. Yan yung mga araw na yun, basta mga September.
Ah, baka Paris yung unang area. Wait.
The poet of the first thing out, now we can turn to the participants. This time, we will do the mutation of the two.
Ayun, sa loob punta.
Red Dead Redemption Red Dead Redemption 1. Oh my God. Lumuwas na rin. Pero I can't tell kung
This is why I hate racing! Level. Putik naman no. Here we go. Next. A very spooky sprint. Tap ko ng first aid spray. One shot yan kay Nikolai. Sige!
Nikolai Cage.
Don't tell me, babalik ako sa umpisa. Ah, thank God.
Ba't kaya nangyari yun? Bigla nagkaroon ng... yung ba yung sa uod, no? Yan yata yung sa uod, yung graveyard. Ano? Yung graveyard worm. Wow, save agad. Sige, save ko na nga to. Puta.
Silver stars of Sting's life. Zero shot pa yung gamit ko eh. Wow. Hindi pa tapos ang laro. Kaso ang daming legal text ha. Okay. Okay, I see what you mean. Don't follow Basi Gaming. Yo, Auror! Isa pa. Isa pang laro. Para na-enjoy ko to. All around me are familiar faces.
Wait nga lang, naiihi ako. Sabi ko hindi kang patuloy.
He ain't no king. We go. Yo, what's up, guys? Good day. This is Dan Dice and welcome to the live stream. Now it's time to play some more Metroid Zero Mission. Last time, na-reach ko na... Successfully tinalo ko na si Mother Brain. And...
When you don't rescue me right away!
Pero at least makakaipon ulit ako ng ending by clearing scenario P or so. Okay, welcome back, Mario. Okay, let's see. Final showdown, guys. I made it this far. I need to hurry. First, I have to practice.
Oh.
Maybe next time na lang. Pagusan ko. Hello and goodbye. Lah, di natablan ng kuryente? What is that?
It's fucking cheating! Why did it suddenly face towards me?
Dude, first aid spray! Kailangan ko yan.
Ayoko na. Let's finish this. Once and for all. Yan. Problem solved. To the blue
Ako,
door.
may
Teka. Before I...
Yan. Sige.
Resident Evil. Ot! Ot! Yan yung clips mo sa Resident Evil. You're still not allowed to swim. Okay. Good. Teka, may hindi pala ako na-share. Dulas. Okay. Good. Okay, that's it. Mandar na yung
Carlos?
trend.
I'm sorry about Murphy, but there was
Hindi
nothing
mo na
you could have
kailangan
done.
labanan habang umandar.
Alright.
Just turn back.
Nice.
Just turn back and
Sige,
trigger.
bulo na ako.
Turn back and trigger door.
Nikolai won't be.
Isa pa. Isa pang laro. Para na-enjoy ko to. All around me are familiar faces. Virus status. Kahit
Yeah, you need the blue. Wala. Kailangan pa yata ng...
since virus ang status, hindi ko madi-distinguish kung Wait a minute. Where should I get that green star? Mr. Cypher, is this the green star you're talking about? What is he?
kinda suspicious. Tapos yung pala, pagka ano ko, mistaker nga talaga. Umbrella can be used for welfare, blah 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 blah. In 1992, it was my 5th year as mayor of our beautiful city. It was then that through many donations and hard work, our city was able to rebuild the municipal building, create the state-of-the-art hospital. In honor of these fine accomplishments, I was awarded with a grand statue.
Siya yung ka. It's best.
Ayan.
One of those enemies have the key. Oh my god, thanks! Lalaro ko via Super Mario Brother. Yeah, don't go underwater. I'm playing via Super Mario 3D All-Stars ko. It's burning time. Nahanap ko yung susi.
Uy! Actually, ginagawa ko dyan, isang balat na sapang tumatayo yung ato, lapitan mo masaksak. Wow! Mga pros! Ako, hindi ko kaya masaksak yan. Mababait akong tao, pinaparil ko na lang. Ito joke. Lagi na, ganun pa rin, pumapatay pa rin ako ng aso. Kahit anong gawin.
Space station.
Pino, kadiri po siya. Tangin ng colonoscopy.
Lilinisin natin lahat.
The liquor treatment.
Andito na si Mr. X. That firepower should be permanent. Let's see.
Oh, pwede ko lagyan ng ano, open parenthesis tsaka ano.
Ayun, may
O kaya
bala.
no? Yung double coat, di ba?
Alam ko na
Parang
password
boxingero
ito.
talaga eh, no?
At least nakuha ko yung Magnum. It's chase or be chased. Papaya!
ng kuryente sa ilalim ng mga kalsada talaga, sa ilalim ng lupa.
Yes.
Oo.
Ilalim ng lupa. Guys, kahit yung optic fiber sa
Dalawa pang
Kaya
left sa
nga
B.
kaya nga, bihira lang talaga nagkakaroon ng brownout sa sound.
1.
Kaso,
Ah, ito yung
at saka
water
si coal
sample,
power plant,
yes.
isa rin yan. Tama, si coal power plant. Delikado rin yan.
Wait,
Yes.
is this
Mga
Siberia?
fossil fuels na yan.
Of course.
Yan ang nag-ano ng carbon dioxide sa atmosphere natin.
Ah, oh my God! Medyo expanded na maliban dyan sa area yan.
Tingnan ko sa'yo. Yung pagtaas ng
Bilisan ko na nga itong larong to. Ala, si May. Four minutes yung oras. Alam mo, sawang-sawa na akong
What I was going to say.
Wait, so you just bought it and you finished it
You disappeared from the
immediately?
hall all of a
That's
sudden.
actually really
I'm sorry,
Damn.
but I have my reasons. Perhaps you guys have met them?
That was actually
It was all I
fast.
could do to protect myself against
Congrats
those
to you.
strange creatures.
fire. Lah! Hindi siya nawawasa.
Eric, so 3 beses ako pwede gumamit. Eh, so dapat gano'n na lang ginawa ko sa mga first aid na nakuha ko before. Oh my Pwede ko na pag-combine yun.
Too late to realize.
Nakakompress na
It's too
pag-iwan.
late.
Akala ko kasi.
One of those enemies have the key. Oh my God, takes.
May
You're nice. Patay ka sa akin, ano, pangalan nito.
tayo.
Patay ka sa akin, Nemesis. Pag nakita
May kalaban
ko,
pa pala doon.
pag nakita kita,
Oh.
May pala pa akong pwede kong i-rescue si Fred dito.
Kami na parang mga sapatos yung kalabang ko. What the fuck?
Ito naman si...
Alam ko meron dito.
Ito yata si...
Music Park. Thanks for dropping by.
Natapos ka na.
Oh my God. Wait, gagawin mo bang 999 yan?
Yes, I'm not kidding.
Oh my God. Wala nakasabi dito. Hindi ako dapat tuloy ko dyan! Ah, thank goodness there's a checkpoint.
nag-tweet sa akin kanina. There were two eh. There were two people who rated me earlier. Or was it one? I can't exactly remember. Kasi dami ito.
Hindi kasi blue chip duel kanina.
Right! I need to go back to the I need to get the blue gem and the green gem so that I can actually put it on the clock and then finally enter the main hall. Alright? Alright. Sige.
Martinez na to. Playing Mario 3D Jumping Process.
Mercenaries na tapos bigla ako lumabas.
Hindi tayo eh.
O basta Ken, alam ko nandiyan ka. Tapos ko na. Your door. Okay. We got a candidate for raid before I close this. So I will not hesitate to show this. However, this one is for the subscribers only. Okay. Please stand by. Wala. Tubig. Okay, gets ka. This enough para labas. Uy! I'm willing to play that. Code Veronica.
Alpha team, have you retrieved the sample yet?
Affirmative. We'll be at the rendezvous within 1 minute.
Roger.
Tara, isa pa. Sira yung SO. Che, my God. Boha. Thanks for smashing like. RT Gaming. Did I knock you out? Knock out! Gets ka na. It's just the same area. Just a crack. Huwag ka mang-get over here.
Huwag kang mag-get over here, get over here. Dati hirap na hirap ako dito, di ko alam ba't...
I hate you,
ayun lang.
Nemesis.
I spoke
Putik
too
naman,
soon,
oh.
putya. Oh, man.
What do you think of it?
Oh my god.
I've been thinking something is
Just,
wrong. with this
just here
house.
lurking while at work as usual. Take 6, sir.
Hey, what is this?
Ilan
Thank you for support. I don't care to... Yeah, I know. Oh, jumping! Panic! You bully! Okay, here we go. Let's go for the big one. Whoa!
Tangin na po. Rebecca! Tangina.
Ito na si Mr. X. Let's do the old trick. Jumping works every... Okay, sige. Ay, babalik na naman ako ng Norfair. Ito pa. Total, naka-easy naman ako. Pwede akong mag-save as maintenance sa Saiwan.
Oh, ganda. The final trust. That is a ninja. Okay,
Kunin ko muna baba. May mini boss doon. Sige. Challenge accepted. Naging Metal Gear ah! Espionage eh! Kunin ko yung flame rounds dito.
Na mag-rank ko. Ayan. Para mapanak mo na yung unlimited launcher, gatling gun, submachine gun,
Oo,
ganun.
tama. Outside arrange mode.
Hindi Hindi naman siguro missile. Ba't missile agad? Gagawin nating weapons of mass destruction, oh.
You really think we're gonna only use this for
Yeah.
electricity?
Tayo na yan.
Oh my god! Anything but that.
You think we can get upstairs through this shaft? Give me a boost. I'll go and check.
Okay, thanks. I got a bad feeling about that.